Welcome back to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 Volkswagen Atlas. The 2026 Volkswagen Atlas redefines family transportation with its blend of practicality, space, and capability. This three-row SUV offers room for up to 7 passengers, impressive cargo flexibility, and a towing capacity of up to 5,000 pounds, all wrapped in a subtly stylish exterior. While it might not turn heads, the Atlas delivers where it matters most: comfort, functionality, and reliability. Family-oriented design. Spacious seating for 7 and generous legroom in the second row make it perfect for families. Cargo versatility. Fold down the second and third rows for exceptional cargo space. Performance with utility. The ability to tow up to 5,000 pounds adds practicality for adventurous families. The interior of the Atlas is a haven of practicality, with a layout designed to simplify daily life. Spacious third row. Unlike many rivals, the Atlas provides a third row comfortable enough for full-size adults. Thoughtful storage. Smartly placed compartments throughout the cabin accommodate everything from gadgets to snacks. Family-focused features. An abundance of cup holders ensures every passenger has their own drink station. While the design leans toward the utilitarian side, Volkswagen has improved the materials, giving the cabin a more premium feel. For families seeking function over flair, the Atlas excels. The 2026 Atlas simplifies its powertrain offerings with a single, efficient option. Engine specs. A 269 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine with 273 lb-ft of torque. Transmission. Paired with an 8-speed automatic, it delivers smooth and responsive acceleration. Performance upgrade. This engine replaces the older V6 and features quicker throttle response and enhanced drivability. Front-wheel drive is standard on the SE and SE with technology trims, while the Peak Edition SE and higher trims come equipped with all-wheel drive as standard. The price of the 2026 Volkswagen Atlas starts at $39,625 and goes up to $54,630 depending on the trim and options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.